Today we're going to be vaccinating the Genius litter with their parvo shots. The reason why we're doing parvo shots today is because we have had active parvo within the last year on our property. In fact, we had a parvo scare with one of our litters in January. And so we need to vaccinate the puppies early in order for them to have the immunity they need in case they encounter the parvovirus on our property while they're here with us. The one we use is a specific parvovirus vaccine. It's a modified live virus called Neopar. It actually has 2 strains of parvovirus, whereas if you get the 5-in-1 vaccine from like a farm store, they only carry the 1 strain of parvovirus in that 5-in-1 vaccine. So this one here is a double strain. It's called Neopar. The Neopar vaccine doesn't require a mixture into a sterilized solution, so it's actually pre-mixed. So I'm just going to be loading the syringes and then giving the puppies their first shots. They have done research on this, and at 5 weeks, which these puppies will be 5 weeks tomorrow, this vaccine overrides mother's immunity, so they should be okay, which is another reason why I give Neopar and not the 5-in-1 shot. Also, Neopar is only the parvovirus, and so the puppies are not going to have a bunch of other modified live viruses in their system all at one time. Only parvovirus, which is the one we have actively seen on our property, so it's the most important one to use. This little puppy already has her ear up, look! Isn't that cute? Little light blue puppy is going to get her parvo shot today. And I normally do it right under the skin, so I lift up the skin right here and make a little pouch there, and that's where I'm going to push it in. Okay, here we go, really easy. Just like that. And I just rub that little bump little bump of water underneath the skin. I just rub that down so it can disappear into the crevice there of her neck. Normally our puppies don't really make any noise at all, but we do note it if they do make a noise. We're also going to clip her toenails today. You get your toenails, huh? You get your toenails? We're just getting the tips so that when she's suckling on her mom, she doesn't hurt her. Yeah, you get your toenails too, huh? side. This side too. There you go. Well done. Well done, little gummy. This little purple collar. Purple collar puppy. Hi, baby. Hey, sniffing. Hey, sniffing. Hey, sniffing. Hey, sniffing. You good puppy. Come on. I turn him around on this side because I'm right-handed and I want to get in there with my right hand. Yeah. Let's see how you're doing first, though. Turn you over. Yeah. Okay. We gotta get your lap puppy, huh? Lap puppy. No? 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 Good girl. Good girl. No? 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 You stay? Good girl. Good girl. Let me get your toes. Feel all their toes. And all she's supposed to do is just sit right there. That's right. She just gotta sit right there and be still. Yeah. You sit right there and be still. That's right. Good girl. Yeah. And use your toes. No, 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 no. And if she gets fussy, we just tell her no. Yeah. And then we let go of the pressure. Letting go of the pressure is where the learning happens. Yeah. Yeah. And we can turn her over when she has settled down. Just like that. Good girl. Good girl. Let's get yours. That little bump now. Just mix it in there underneath her skin. Get it under her skin so that it doesn't stay a bump. It'll eventually go down by itself, but this way, I don't know. This way it just makes it not so painful, I think. There you go. Okay, time for your toesies. How about your toenails? Oh, good job. Good job. Careful. Yeah, you don't like that? Too bad. You don't like it? Too bad. Oh my goodness. Nobody's hurting ya. It doesn't hurt, you silly. No, it does not hurt. You're silly. Give me this. There you go. There you go. That's better. This side. This side too. Yeah. Take all done. You're done. You're done. So I'm not gonna put her down yet because she's a little stiff. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna wait until she settles down. Aren't we? We'll fix your collar too. We'll fix your collar. Yeah. We'll fix your collar. Yeah, we will. Yeah. like being held? You don't like being manipulated? Oh, life's tough. Life's tough, little baby. Life's so tough. Yeah, life's so tough. Life's tough. Life's tough. Anyway, life's so tough. Life's so tough. Life's so tough. Life's so tough. Look at your toes. Look at your toes. This is Green. Green color male. Hi. I call him Curly. He has curly hair. Thank you. Let's see how you're doing. Let's see how you're doing. Oh, he's a good boy. He's much looser than the other two girls. Yeah. Oh, you're nice and loose, huh? Yeah, we touch your toes. Yeah, we do. We touch all your toesies. No? Stay there. You smiling? No? Stay there. No? No? You stay. Good boy. That's a good boy. No? Stay. Stay. You're smiling at me. That's pretty cute. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Okay. Good boy. Okay. He's playing with me. He's so cute. He's more confident than the other two girls were. Although I thought that light blue puppy was pretty outgoing, but I put her in a situation that she didn't like maybe. Anyway, he's having fun up here. Green collar male, he's playing. Let's get your toenails done. Let's get your toenails done. You get your toenails? Look at your toenails, huh? Oh, look at your toenails. Hey, more. Yeah. Little bit more. Little bit more. Let's see. Let's see. Give me that. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. Look at that. Get your back beat. You're not going anywhere. See your toes. See? Yeah, good boy. He's a good boy. I see this side. Jobs done? Did you learn all your lessons? You learn your lessons? You learned your lessons? Good boy. Okay. We gotta do all of our lessons today. Huh? We gotta do our lessons? We gotta learn all of our lessons? Yes, we do. Yes, boys. How are we holding up? There we go. She's expected to lay here until I release her. Nope. Nope. Good, now she relaxed. Feel up her toes. Nope. Nope. Do your toes. Get on your toes. Yeah. Good. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. No, not going anywhere. Still got work to do. We still have more lessons. Yeah, we still have more lessons. Yeah, we still have more lessons for you. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we have this lesson. This lesson. Huh. Yeah, good girl. Oh, no. No. You're not going anywhere. Especially by yourself. My goodness. No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. There you go. Good go, puppy. Good side now. Good side now. There you go. Okay. Okay. This is Grace Hopper, yellow collar puppy. Yeah, hi. Hi, goodie. We're going to do our lessons today, huh? Oh, good girl. Yeah. No yellow eyes for you, huh? You stay right there until I say so, okay? Good girl. You get all your toes? You get all your toes? Touch your toes. I can see your toes. Can you just toe too? Yeah, I got all your toes to feel. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. Yeah, okay. Good girl. There she goes. Yeah. What do you think? Not so bad, huh? Not so bad. Not so bad. Okay, let's do our toesies. Yeah, we do. How about this one? You say no? What do you think? What do you think, Grace? How about this back foot? This time. I gotta see, let me see. There you go. There you go, little girl. Brown eyes? Look at me, you got brown eyes. This is the blue collar male. Right, yeah. Yeah, Sir Isaac Newton, I think that's who this is. Yeah, he's been anchoring to do something today. He's been kind of bored. Put mom in here, didn't want her. Or, you know, put a toy next to him, didn't want that. He's got water, didn't want that. He's just been looking for adventure, so today's going to be his adventure day. We're going to learn all of our lessons, aren't we? We're going to learn our lessons today. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We learn our lessons. You're going to have yellow eyes. Yeah, he's going to have some yellow eyes. Good job, buddy. You are. Pick of the litter male right here. That's right. You're going to have light eyes. Nope. When this boy was little, he wanted to do what he wanted. Yeah, he's taking. And still the same. Yeah. So remember, dogs learn from release of pressure, not pressure. So when I put pressure on him to stay, when he calms his body down and I release the pressure, that's when he learns, oh, that's what I should do. Yeah, he's gonna have yellow eyes. Nope. He doesn't get to say when he gets up, okay? You guys gotta learn that. That's what lap therapy is all about. He has to wait for the signal. In my case, it's always okay. And then he can know that he's gonna be released. But until then, he's got to sit right there. Good boy. Okay. And that's the signal. That's the signal. Okay. Oh, he squealed a little bit. Just something to note. Just interesting to know. High pain tolerance is typical for our breed. They typically can take a lot of pain without telling you. Sometimes that can be a hindrance to some owners when their dog's actually in pain but they don't know. Okay, you gotta get your toenails done. Part of your lesson today. This side. Oh, that did not hurt you. Yeah, he wants something to do unless it's something he doesn't want to do, and then he doesn't want something to do. Yes, huh? Let's do one more turn, buddy. There you go. Hey, right there. Look, you see these legs right here? Pathetic. Pathetic. He's gonna have to be much looser than that in order to get up. Now, lap therapy, when they're older, they don't have to be on their back. But this is just a way for them to learn submission and to be relaxed in my arms. Nope. You see, every time I let go of the pressure, he wants to think he can get up. Doing all this touching all over their body, that just helps them know that I can manipulate them or whatever and they don't have to fuss. Now remember, there's a release command and he can't get up until I say the release command. Yeah, right. No. Okay. And there it is. Good job, buddy. Hello. This is Black Collar Male. The last puppy today. You gonna bump me? Are you checking me out? Oh, we check you out. Nope. Nope. Okay. Good boy. Yeah. This male has lighter eyes too. I don't know if they'll be yellow, but they're gonna be lighter. Nope, you stay. Nope. He's trying to trick me. Nope. 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 You stay there. Good job. Hit your paws. Yeah, you get your paws. Get your paws. Nope. Nope. Good job. Nope. 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 There you go. Good job, honey. Honey. Good boy. Yeah, he'll go. Nope. Every time I release, he wants to get up, and that's not allowed. So, no pressure. When he chooses on his own to stay right there when there's no pressure, then he's learned a valuable lesson. That's right. Nope. That's your turn. That's right. Nope. 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 No fussing. No fussing. We don't need a fuss. Good boy. All on his own now. Good job, buddy. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, last puppy, last shot. There you go. Last puppy, last shot, huh? Yeah. Let's get your toenail done. Yeah, we get your toenail done. Hi. Yes, black paws. Black toes? Look at black toes. He's very curious. Black toes, don't ya? Oh, look. Here you go. I gotcha. Yeah, brown eyes. This guy has got brown eyes. There. This side. Okay. Thank you for watching today. It was a pleasure to be here with you. If you liked our content, please consider liking and subscribing in order to receive all of our videos when they first come out. Also, we would like to extend to you a free gift just for stopping by and watching our content. You can find your gift at direwolfproject.com. Head on over there and we will send you a free ebook for the 10 ways to alter your dog's diet for the best health results. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.